This is the Titan Fitness Functional Trainer. Now, the company claims this single piece of hardware can replace half the machines in your local commercial gym. It's big, it's heavy, and it's a massive investment. But after living with it in my own garage for the last month, I found out something that the glossy marketing photos definitely don't tell you. Is it the ultimate centerpiece for your home gym, or is it just a very expensive code rack? Let's find out. Titan Fitness Functional Trainer Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at here? This is the flagship cable machine from Titan Fitness. If you've been following the home gym scene, you know Titan is famous for bringing commercial-grade specs down to enthusiast-level prices. This machine was designed for the person who is tired of waiting in line for the cable crossover at 6 p.m. and wants that same versatility at home. It features two 200-pound weight stacks, a 2-to-1 pulley ratio, and a footprint that, while large, is designed to fit under a standard 7-foot ceiling. It's aimed squarely at the prosumer lifter, someone who values high-quality steel over fancy brand logos. Titan Fitness Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform when you're mid-set and pushing for a PR? In a word, smooth. I've used high-end machines from brands like Life Fitness that cost $5,000, and honestly, the gap is closing fast. The weight stacks move on solid steel guide rods, and if you keep them lubricated, they feel almost frictionless. Here's a bit of tech talk for you. This uses a 2-to-1 ratio. That means if you set the pin to 100 pounds, you're actually pulling 50 pounds of effective resistance. Why does that matter? It gives you a much longer cable travel, about 81 inches, which is a game changer for walking out lunges or doing explosive movements without the weights clanging at the top. I use this for everything from heavy lat pull-downs to those tiny nuanced rotator cuff exercises, and I was really impressed by the lack of stiction. You know that jerky feeling you get on cheap cable machines? None of that here. It's consistent from the start of the pull to the very end. Features and tech. Let's talk about a few key features that make this more than just a box of metal. First up, the 19 adjustment positions. The handles slide up and down the uprights with a simple pop pin. This basically lets you transition from a low row position to a high chest fly in about 3 seconds. In a home workout where momentum is everything, that speed is a game changer. Then there's the multi-grip pull-up bar at the top. Most machines give you one straight bar and call it a day. Titan went with a variety of angles, wide, narrow, and neutral. It's powder-coated for grip, which is a nice touch when your hands get sweaty. And we have to talk about the accessory storage. This is a small quality-of-life feature, but there's a rack in the back to hold your handles and bars. It keeps your gym floor from looking like a disaster zone. It's these little ergonomic tech choices that make the machine feel like it was designed by people who actually lift. Design and build. Aesthetically, Titan knocked it out of the park with the black-on-black look. It's made of heavy-duty steel, which makes it feel incredibly premium and, more importantly, stable. It weighs over 600 pounds, so when you're doing heavy rows, the machine doesn't budge an inch. No bolting to the floor required. However, you might want to watch out for the finish. While the powder coating looks sleek, it can show scratches if you're clanking metal carabiners against it constantly. Also, keep in mind the footprint. It's roughly 64 inches wide. It's a buy once, cry once situation with your floor space. You need to make sure you have the room because once this beast is assembled, you are not moving it. Pros. The value. You're getting 90% of the commercial gym experience for about 50% of the price. Versatility. You can hit literally every muscle group, chest, back, legs, arms, all in one spot. Built-in storage. Keeping the gym organized is underrated, and the accessory rack is a win. Cons. The footprint. It's a space hog. If you have a small one-car garage, this might be a tight fit. The Titan tax. Sometimes Titan shipping can be a bit rough on the boxes, so check for minor cosmetic dings when it arrives. Final verdict. Look, if you're a dedicated lifter who's building a serious home gym and you're tired of the limitations of dumbbells or a basic squat rack, this is an absolute no-brainer. It is the Swiss Army knife of fitness. It's the kind of equipment that actually makes you want to work out because it's so satisfying to use. But if you're just starting out or you're on a super tight budget, you might be better off with a set of adjustable dumbbells and a bench first. This is a Phase 2 gym purchase. It's for the person who wants to stop going to the gym and start having the gym. At the end of the day, Titan has built something here that punches way above its weight class.